Oh my gosh. Alexander's KdF Wagen. The story behind this is absolutely remarkable. It's 1944 Type 82E.
Yeah, that can happen, especially there's locks on the side, right? There's door locks on the side. Sometimes if you're in a hurry, you may not get one.
Amazing. Definitely check out the video of this KdF. It is worth it. 20-year restoration. 7 countries, I think it is. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's so wonderful to see these cars. Very rare.
Hello. Hello, nice to meet you. Welcome to Hershey. The Vice President? Oh, one of the judges. Oh, great, great. I love it.